Have you ever imagined what your favorite celebrity would look like if they were born and raised in a completely different country? Or even crazier, what if you were? This AI trend is going insanely viral right now and pulling in millions of views. And guess what? You can make it too. Let me show you how. All right, let's jump in. Step 1, the prompts. To create this celebrity in different countries AI video, you only need 2 prompts, one for the image and one for the video. That's it, super simple. As usual, I've already prepared both prompts for you on my website, so you don't need to write anything from scratch. Just check the link in the description and copy them from there. Step 2, generate the images. First, open the image prompt and replace the country with whichever one you want to try. For example, I used Japan for mine. Once you've edited it, select all and copy the entire prompt. Next, head over to ImagineArt and log in using your account. After you're inside, open the image generation tool. Upload a photo of your favorite celebrity or even your own selfie if you want to see your global transformation. After uploading the photo, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Then go into the settings and select the Nano Banana Pro model, although there are other models available too, so feel free to experiment if you're curious. Set the aspect ratio to Portrait 9:16 so it fits perfectly for short-form videos. For better options, set the variations or batch size to 4. This way you'll get multiple results to choose from. Adjust the resolution to your preference. I personally used 2K, but 1K or 4K works just fine too. Once everything looks good, click Generate and wait a few seconds. When it's done, simply download your favorite result. After that, repeat the same process with different countries. Try as many as you want to create multiple transformation versions. Step 3, generate the video. Now it's time to turn those images into a smooth transformation video. Go back to my website and copy the video prompt. Then return to ImagineArt, but this time open the video generation tool instead of the image tool. Upload your first generated image as the first frame. Then upload another generated image from a different country as the last frame. This will create that seamless transformation effect. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Open the settings and select the Kling 3.0 Pro model, although you can test other models if you want to compare results. Set the duration to around 6 seconds. That's usually more than enough for a smooth and engaging transformation. Finally, click Generate and wait a few minutes while the video processes. Once it's finished, your AI transformation video is ready. If you created more country versions, just repeat the same steps to generate additional videos. Step 4, final editing. After all your videos are generated, bring them into your favorite editing app, like CapCut or any editor you're comfortable with. From there, you can combine the clips, add text overlays, include background music, and maybe even throw in some cool sound effects to make it more dramatic. When everything feels perfect, export your video, and you're done. See, it's actually way easier than it looks. Now, imagine posting a video like this. What if this celebrity was born in Japan, Brazil, Italy? People love this kind of content right now. So, are you going to try it? The prompts and tools are waiting for you in the description. Go check them out, start creating, and who knows, your video might be the next one hitting millions.